In this video, I'm going to show how using the Ergo Assist with our Quick-E-Slab and how to attach it the right way. It comes automatically, the slab, with the coupled hook on here. So we're just going to disconnect that. So this part I'm not going to need. Depending on how large of a slab, I'm going to choose one of 3 holes. I'm going to be picking some larger slabs today, so I'm going to pick this hole out to the end. That'll keep me more balanced. I want to kind of keep my handle level to this handle itself here, and I tighten that up pretty good, and I'll show you why in a minute. That's connected the proper way. That allows me to keep this rigid, so when I want to release and couple to block, that's going to help me in that system. If I'm doing all the same size product, I'll actually set this to the proper distance. Then I'm going to remove my pin by locking that in here. That's not going to allow this to move at all. So if I were to bang this end, it's not going to ruin my adjustment that I'll have to keep adjusting it. So doing the same size pavers over and over, I'm going to utilize my pin to lock this. So the way this is set up now, the handle's rigid, so I actually can tighten it up like this. He's going to pick up on his end first, which is going to put the pressure, and then I'll follow through. And when it comes to setting down, same thing. I'm going to pick off first, and then he's going to pick up. So it's just a matter of this kind of seesaw action of getting used to how you actually pick the products up. He's going to grab it. And then I'll pick it. He'll set down, I'll pick off. So it's just a matter of kind of getting used to that. But that's the advantage of tightening this up here. It gives us this opportunity to do this seesaw action. You'll see when we come to butt pavers up against the slab, you'll see how we can release it. Good. Pick up yours. Another advantage of a number 8 stone, being able to set right on it, stand on it. I'm going to pick up, he's going to let off. Let's grab a couple of these random ones here, Kent. I'll be able to grab it. So when we do this, he's going to set down his end, and see how that just released? I hold up on my end, and he can release it. So it gives you a real neat example. Once you grab the small one, we'll fill that one right in. And again, he's going to set it, and he can push right in even with his toe if he wanted to. Oop, down. I'm going to grab that, and obviously a small one you'd probably do by hand. Either way, I just thought it's kind of neat. You can see how this actually works. And then I'm going to pick off, sets right down. That way there you're not pinching this metal between it. Let's grab a larger one. He's going to pick up, and then I release it. Go right square here. I'm going to pick off. Let's grab the large slab. Go side to side. Get more in the center. Again, drop and click. You're going to go tight to that side. I'm going to go tight here. And it's just a matter of releasing like that. Not pinching that metal. Keep a nice tight joint.